Hi, I'm Imran from Imran Learning Center. Today we are going to learn how to pronounce IPA sound. So, International Phonetic Alphabet, you can see here easy way to learn IPA. International Phonetic Alphabet. IPA is abbreviation, a longer version is International Phonetic Alphabet. IPA made IPA. That means International Phonetic Association made International Phonetic Alphabet. So, IPA made IPA. You got the point. In the International Phonetic Association. International Phonetic Association made this International Phonetic Alphabet. So, I made this sheet to help my students improve their pronunciation, and they improve, they develop, they learn and they develop their pronunciation. So, today I am going to share this sheet with you so that you can improve, you can learn, you can develop your pronunciation. So, I have written here, notice here, International Phonetic Alphabet IPA. IPA total sound symbol 44. Here we have consonant sound 24 and vowel sounds 20. So, vowel sounds also two kinds, monophthongs 12 and diphthongs 8. Monophthongs also again two kinds, long sounds and short sounds. Long sounds 5 and short sounds 7. So, at first I have written here, I composed consonant sounds. Consonant sounds 24, but these 16 are familiar to us. We know how to pronounce this sound. So, you are looking between slash mark here, this is sound, this is not letter. You are looking between two slash like P, B, it is not P, B, it is PA sound, and it is PA, BA, THA, DA, KHA, GA, GA, FA, VA, SA, ZA, A, MA, NA, LA, A. According to British sound A, and according to USA R, and this is HA sound. So, in letter I use this, and in Bangla like this. These are sound, this is pronounced like this Bangla sound. We are familiar these sounds, so you don't have to toil, struggle to learn this. Notice here there are 8 consonant sounds. This sound between slash mark like F, it is pronounced like shaw, shaw, and this is a 3, English 3, like English 3, it is pronounced like za, and this is chaw, chaw, and this is za, and this is like theta, it's pronounced like tha, and this is da, and this is ya. You are looking like English letter z, it is pronounced, it's not letter, it's sound, so it is pronounced like ya, and this is ing. So, I have written here some words to pronounce. These sounds are used to pronounce this kind of. Notice here, sha, shirt, ja, television, vision. So, here are words. After zooming you can see clearly and you can practice. So, these are 24 consonant sounds. These 16 are familiar to us. You don't have to toil, struggle to learn this. You have to pay attention to learn this. Be focused when you are learning this. So, this is sha. If you see this sign, it is pronounced like sha, and this is za, and this is cha, and this is za. You are looking like D and 3 altogether. This is sound. It's pronounced like za, and this is tha, da, ya, ing. So, we have finished consonant sound. Now, let us move to the vowel sound, monophthong, that means single vowel. So, we have 12 vowel monophthong sound here. I have written here according to our Sharvana, Sharya, Sharya, so that it will be very easier to understand. You can guess easily, that is why I have written following this style. We have at first in Bangla Shar A, Rushi Dirghi. Similarly, what is pronounced like Shar A in English vowel sound I have written here. So, pay attention, this is pronounced like O, and this is A. A, A, A. There are 4 A sounds. But how we separate? So to separate, I used here like minus sign, like minus. So here I have written nota bene in Bangla bishesh drashtobyo. I mentioned and I wanted to show you using this sign amount of length. How much you have to lengthen, I expressed using this. So there are 4 A sound, but first one, this is called in English schwa sound, very fast. We have to pronounce it very fast, like letha. Here, notice here, letha. It is used to pronounce this word, letha, 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 letha. You don't have to lengthen. You can't delay to pronounce this word. Then we have a, so, sun, sun. Then we have a sound, kha. Notice here, kha, kha. And then we have a sound, gal, gal. So if you see, this one is pronounced very quickly, and second a is pronounced a little bit long, and third one and fourth one is a little bit more longer. Then we have e sound. This is e, and this is e. This is u. This is o. This is like in Bangla Rosho, and this is like Dirgo, and this is a, and this is a, and this is o or o. Whatever you want, you can pronounce like this. So if you see dot beside the sound, then in this case we have to lengthen. We have to pronounce doing a big sound, a long sound. So this is, there are 5 long sound here, and then we have diphthongs. Diphthongs means 2 vowel sound together. It has been made, these all sounds have been made from here. Notice here, this is a sound. Here we have a, and this is e. Here we had e. So this one or this one altogether formed this one. So it is pronounced a, I, oi, ia, ea, ua, ou, ow. So when you practice, you can practice like this: a, e, I, o, e, oi, a, I, oi. This one, e, a, e, a, u, a. Notice here, e, a, u, a. And this one, ow, ow. So we have also triphthongs. That means 3 vowel sound together. Notice here, this is here again, and another a sound, schwa sound. So eya, eya, aya, oya, eya, aya, oya, and this is owa. This is ow. We have to add a sound, schwa sound, owa, and this is ow, awa. Eya, aya, oya, owa, awa. You can see here, this is assimilation in Bangla Sandhi, how it become. How it has become, you can guess watching this. A plus E, A plus E, I, O plus E, in Bangla, oi. So I hope you got the point. There are 24 consonant sound, here 16. You don't have to struggle to learn this, but you have to pay attention, be careful to learn this, and you have to memorize. And then we have monophthongs, I mean single vowel sound, and these are diphthongs, 2 vowel sound together. And we also have triphthongs, that means 3 vowel sound together. So these are vowel sound, IPA sound symbol. These symbols are used to pronounce English word. If you enter into Oxford Dictionary or Cambridge Dictionary, you can see, if you search writing this word, for example MAN, you will get between slash mark this sound, and if you click on the UK button or USA button, they will pronounce like man, man. This is pronounced man. This is Oman, Oman. I've written between slash mark, so you can guess. If you learn this at first properly, perfectly, then you can guess, you can conjecture how it is pronounced, how it has become. You can understand. So at first you have to learn these consonant sounds, these vowel sounds. So notice here, I am pronouncing man, men, Oman, women, WOMEN, it is pronounced women. If you check it going to Oxford Dictionary or Cambridge Dictionary, they will pronounce like this, women, 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 and this is future, future, and this is pencil. Notice here, pencil, 2 syllable, pencil. This is cancel, and this is data, not data, data, and this is tuition, tuition according to UK, not tuition. It is tuition, and according to US, tuition. Now move here. This is pronounced mass, N-O, now. It is pronounced like no, so, go. OF, it is pronounced of. It is pronounced Tuesday, choose, or Tuesday, whatever you want to say. According to British, UK, it is pronounced Tuesday, Tuesday, and this is Wednesday, and this is failure, failure. Now let's move to here. Pronunciation, pronunciation, pronunciation. Schedule, according to UK, schedule. According to USA, schedule, schedule. The people living in UK, they pronounce this word schedule. The people living in USA, they pronounce like schedule. Then we have president, not president, president, president. Notice here, president. Then preferable, preferable. Then module, module. Then preservation, preservation, preservation. Then invitation, invitation, invitation. Then we have deprivation, deprivation. Then we have preparation, preparation. Then we have education, education. Then we have presentation, presentation. And finally we have physically, not physically. Notice here, IP symbol, physically, between slash mark I have written here. This is our English letter word, and this is IPS sound symbol. So it is pronounced like physically, physically, physically. Now move here, notice here, this is shy, shy. How it has become, I have written here. If you see, paying attention, you can get the point, you can understand. Education, assimilation, notice here, in Bangla, A, Z, U, Kha, A, Sha, A, Na, all together, education, education. This is shun. I hope you understood the lesson properly. To understand IPS sound symbol confidently and clearly, you have to labor hard, you have to pay attention, and you have to learn this seriously, you have to take it seriously, or else you can't guess. So to understand IPS sound symbol properly, you have to practice, and you have to invest some hours, some days. Then it will be very simple, very easier to you. After watching sound symbol between slash mark, you can pronounce by your own self. You don't have to go to other person, you don't have to ask to other person. You can pronounce by your own efforts. So keep practicing as much as you can, as long as you can, and to develop your pronunciation skill, to make sound like native speaker, you can see more video going to my YouTube channel. There are many videos on my YouTube channel. At first you have to enter my YouTube channel and then into playlist, and then you have to enter into IPA sound symbol, I mean International Phonetic Alphabet. There is a folder. Inside this folder there are many videos on IPA sound symbol, how to pronounce. On this topic there are many videos you can see. So keep practicing. See you next time taking another video. Till then, stay well, stay well. Bye.